How's everybody doing? Before I get into the video, please hit that subscribe button. And I've got to say that the more I do my reviews, the more I'm impressed. I'm just happy with the whole matter here. Now this is the Hanwei Tinker. I believe it's a 9th century Viking sword. I picked up 5160 steel, nice springy blade, very thin, very light, quite maneuverable. Came with a scabbard. So I started looking it up online, looked at some specs, looked at MSRP. Thought, what are these really selling for? Museum replicas limited, usually have some pretty great deals. They go for about $280. They had this one on show special of $150. I got it on Sunday for half price. I've got $75 in this badass broadsword right here, people, with a scabbard. Now, how sharp is it? You could cut yourself with it. You really could. It has a much sharper point than what I would prefer to have on a sword like this. But it definitely has a thrusting point. It's a slasher. You can get really good penetration with that tip as well. Now, how well that tip will hold up, I have no idea. I would expect that that blade would end up being a little shorter if you did much thrusting with it. It could happen. Probably wouldn't be too difficult. But it is a very cool sword. Tip goes off to one side ever so slightly, but not enough for me to worry about it. It has a very, very thin profile, easy to grip. My hand, I have a small hand, but the handle is not too small by any means. Just kind of a stippled or dimpled texture on the guard. There's a little bit of wire inlay here. And one thing that I like about it, one, it does have a fuller, and two, it does have a peened pommel, or peen tang rather. So for pommel attachment, that's all held together quite well. And it sinks in quite nicely. It's a lively blade, to say the least. Now up here, I mean, it is blunt. And then it transitions into a sharp-ish blade. Is it razor sharp? No. Would I expect it to be? I wouldn't want it to be razor sharp. A razor sharp sword like this, you're just going to roll or chip that edge when you hit a harder target. Or if you divert from that even path of direction. It has a nice wide blade. It is not cumbersome. It is not overly heavy by any means. It is quite maneuverable. Like I said, the only thing I could really say could really use improvement would be maybe shorten that tip up, 1/4, 3/8 of an inch to make it just a bit stronger. I don't see myself thrusting too much with this. It is controllable. It has a lot of flex in that blade. Doesn't take a lot to make that blade flex. It's a cool piece. Of course, is it a traditional, historically accurate 9th century? No, it's really not. Is it something that I'm happy with my purchase, that I'm going to enjoy using perhaps for costume use in a parade or Halloween or Tuesday? Because tomorrow's Tuesday. This is Monday now. When you watch it, it may not be Monday. You'd be like, damn son of a bitch, it wasn't tomorrow's not Tuesday. But am I happy with my purchase? I sure am. And who wouldn't be happy about a quality broadsword at $75? Now, clearly, I got this for over $200 less than what at least one online source is retailing it for. 5160 spring steel. I'm very happy with this purchase. I've been happy with a lot of these purchases from cast Hanwei, and we'll see what else I can pick up. I've heard there could be some changes in the company, but I'll tell you what, right now, I could be happier, but I'm pretty happy with this. Guys, before we go, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, and we'll go from there. Dave, you want to end that video for me?
Sorry.
All right.